Yep.
Scout's gonna try to wipe me out. Backstory. This year or so ago, this airplane blew off the back of the truck, and somehow it took on some brain damage because it's a top loader, but will only initialize inverted. So I get the battery lead out, and I've changed the receiver too. Changed the receiver, and it still does the same exact thing. Turn my radio on. I hope I got, yeah, I do. Good. Run a 4-cell, 3600 Venom. So I have to do this upside down. Put the battery in, inverted. Something like that. Wait for it. There it goes. It's initialized. And then I have to flip it back over. So I could have done this right side up, and I'd have waited until, I don't know, we might have been celebrating next Christmas for it. And can't figure out why. There's power going to flat servos, but they don't work.
Which is a new thing.
Yeah, new thing since you took the dump. And that little bit of servo arm, I think, is flat. And come on, get in there. A 4-cell battery, as you can see, just barely fits, so I ain't gonna be overly concerned about Velcro strapping it. But I really won't. The snow here, there isn't much of it, but it's extremely sticky because it's very warm out. If I can get this battery hat cover on, I'm going with it. And the flaps don't work, it's basically a 4-channel plane. Let's see.
He's coming around.
Neutral elevator. If I remember right, I did have the other on trim in. I don't remember having that much, but I'm going to take some out. And it is dead calm.
Another rare event at Deblois.
Yeah, okay, I can see Scout got reach out here.
Yeah.
It smells so sticky, I don't know if it's going to work or not.
Up.
Scout!
Whoa, Scout!
Get back!
Yeah, you were still in Scout range.
Yeah. Not an awful lot of throw on anything. And if this crashes, I ain't gonna shed a tear. That AS3X is all freaked out.
Yeah, which shouldn't be with this different receiver in it than when it went upside down.
It came out of Cherokee, so the gains are different.
Oh, okay.
Scout, will you get out? Oh, goodness. Don't hit the tower. Water tank, gas tank, whatever it is. See right there, that's doing a little wig wobble?
Yeah.
The wings are wobbling, so the gains are set too high for this plane.
Trying to step out of the leash here.
Takeoff roll's lengthy.
Mm.
And it's lethargic on every axis. I don't dare try a loop. I ain't got enough throw to do anything with it. You know where this plane's going?
Swap meet.
Yeah. It does fly. Video to prove it. Somebody wants to give me $50 for it, it's theirs.
And it's too bad it's a pretty plane.
Huh?
I said, and it's too bad it's a pretty plane.
You see that wing doing this thing?
I do. I don't know if the camera's picking it up,
Yeah,
but I can see it.
awful. Camera's got to be picking it up. Doing a little bit right there. Right there. We know it ain't the wind doing that.
No.
There isn't any wind. See it? Wiggle, wiggle.
Yeah.
This was a AS3X receiver out of one of my retired Cherokees. Yeah, I don't like that. Makes me feel like it's on the edge of something bad happening. Neat looking plane, but
Mm. It's too bad the only color scheme you can get it now is the blue and
I
white.
give it just a hair of left aileron to neutralize the bank. That's when it gets twitchy.
Hmm.
Weird. I thought I heard there it is. 30 seconds left. And I'll have to go get it because it's got no rudder authority.
Right.
Throttle cat on.
Scout waiting for you.
Huh?
I said, Scout's waiting for you.
You waiting for me? Yeah, so I don't know. It flies, but it doesn't fly very well. Twitchy. Like its AS3X gains are off. Yeah, I can see now. Those landing lights in the wings, you couldn't see them. You can see the nav lights.
All right.
Done. Done with this one. Probably for the day.
Click like and subscribe.
That'd be nice. Fucking shoehorn this battery out.